morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is fit and fine. I hope everyone is doing great. So, kids, in our last class, we have revised about animals and their body parts and their places where they live. I hope now you are clear with that. Today, we are going to start with pronouns. Before that, we'll revise our last topic, cardinal and ordinal number. As I've already explained you about cardinal number and ordinal number. Cardinal number means number of something and ordinal number says position. Let us revise with cardinal and ordinal number. Then we'll start with pronouns. Let's start. I've already explained you about cardinal and ordinal number. Again we will revise. Read the table cardinal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ordinal first, second, third, fourth, fifth. A cardinal number says the number of something. An ordinal number says the position of something. Just look at the question. Again we will revise. Write the cardinal numbers and the ordinal numbers in the correct boxes. Let's start. Second question. Fill in the blanks with the right words. Let us revise the exercise. We are going to revise cardinal and ordinal numbers. I have already explained you. A cardinal number says the number of something. For example, 1, 2, 3. An ordinal number says the position of something. For example, first, second, third. We are revising the worksheet. Write the cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers in the correct boxes. In bracket it is given 11, 16th, 40, 11th, 15th, 9, 15th, 10th, 6th, 20th. So cardinal number 11, 40, 9, 15, 6. Ordinal 16th, 11th, 10th, 20th. Blanks with the right words. She came dash in the class. We'll write first. There are dash pencils in my box. We'll write 2. We study math in the dash period. We will write 4th. Arup scored dash in the English test. We will write 20. I sit in the dash row in the class. We will write 1st. 6th. My mother said that there are dash wonders in the world. We will write 7. 7th. Priya chose the dash doll in the row. We will write 8th. We have bought dash pairs of shoes. We will write 5. I hope now you are clear with cardinal and ordinal number. Now we'll start with our topic pronouns. Do you remember what are nouns? Nouns are name, place, animal, thing. Instead of noun, we will use pronouns. Now what are pronouns? I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Let me show you through pictures. First, I. I is pronoun. It is always used with am. When you talk about yourself, means myself. He. He is a pronoun. It is always used with boy or a man. She. She is a pronoun. It is always used with woman or girl. It. It is a pronoun. It is used with animal or non-living thing. They and we is always used with more than one person. I hope now little bit you got the idea about pronoun. Let us start with exercise. Shall we start? Let's start. Now we'll start with pronouns. As I've already explained you about the pronouns. Again we'll see. Let us read the sentences carefully. Kavish is the boy in the red shirt. Kavish is eating an ice cream. Mahi is my cousin. Mahi is a singer. Look at the dog. The dog is sleeping. Now let us read the sentences again, but this time differently. Kavish is the boy in the red shirt. He is eating an ice cream. Mahi is my cousin. She is a singer. Look at the dog. It is sleeping. Notice how we replace the words that are used again and again. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun when they are used many times. I, you, he, she, it, they, we are pronouns. We use he to replace a noun showing a boy or a man. She is used to replace a noun showing a girl or a woman. We use it to replace a noun showing an animal or non-living thing. They is used to replace a noun showing more than one person. I is used to talk about one's own self, means am. He is they and I together. For example, Karan and Arjun are friends. They go to school together. I like Trisha. We are best friends. Already explained you about pronoun. Again we will revise. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun when they are used many times. For example, Rohan is my brother. Rohan is a doctor. We will write Rohan is my brother. He is a doctor. We replace Rohan with he. Rules of pronoun. He is used with man or boy. She is used with woman or girl. It is used with animal or non-living thing. I is used with am when we talk about ourselves. They and we is used with more than one person. You is used when we talk to other person. The question. For answers, I have prepared the PPT. We'll discuss it. Shall we start? Let's start. Third question. Fill in the blanks using he, she or it. Let's start. Already seen the worksheet. Now we'll solve. Color the nouns in pink and pronouns in yellow. I have already explained you about noun. Nouns are name, place, animal, thing. In bracket it is given I, Rocky, she, Anu, cat, he, apple, we, it, pen, you, friend. So nouns are Rocky, Anu, cat, apple, pen, friend. Pronouns are I, she, he, we, it, you. Write the pronouns that you read in the sentences. First, I study in grade 2. Here pronoun is I. You are a good boy. Here pronoun is you. We will play in the park. Here pronoun is we. They are best friends. Here pronoun is they. Has she finished the milk? Here pronoun is she. He is excited about the picnic. Here pronoun is he. Why is it lying here? Here pronoun is it. Fill in the blanks using he, she or it. Farhan forgot his lunch box. Dash is very upset. We will write he. Farhan is a boy, so we will use he. Disha got a present. Dash is happy. We will write she. I bought a new bag. Dash is orange in color. It. The new girl in class is nice. Dash is tall. We will write she. The new classroom is nice. Dash is very big. We will write it. Solve worksheet 4.5. It is also about pronoun. Use correct pronoun in place of the highlighted nouns. For the answers, I have prepared the PPT. Let's start. The page of same question. Just have a look at it. B. Fill in the blanks with he, she or it. Let's start. Question. Choose the correct pronoun to complete the sentence. Now we'll solve the worksheet. Solve worksheet 4.5. It is also about pronouns. Use correct pronouns in place of the highlighted noun. First, Anil is sitting under a tree. Dash is reading a book. Anil is highlighted. Anil is a boy, so we will write he. Varsha likes to play outside. Dash loves to ride her bike. Varsha is a girl, so we will write she. That is our school bus. Dash is yellow. School bus is highlighted and it's a non-living thing, so we will write it. Shivam is 6 years old. Dash loves his dog. Shivam, again he is a boy, so we will write he. My mother works on a laptop. Dash is silver in color. Laptop is highlighted and it's a non-living thing, we will write it. Anu is healthy. Dash does yoga every morning. Anu is a girl, so we will write she. Fill in the blanks with he, she or it. First, Ravi goes to school every day. Dash is a good boy. Ravi is a boy, so we will use he. The puppy at the corner of the road is playful. Dash is 4 months old. I have already explained you. For animal and non-living thing, we will use it. Use the correct pronouns to complete the sentences. First, dash are happy. We will write we. Dash am making salad. With am we will use I. Dash are not with us. So we will use you. You are not with us. Dash is a boy. Boy, it's clearly mentioned, so we will use he. Dash is your sister. Sister is a girl, so we will use she. Kids, I hope you are a little clear about pronouns. Please keep the habit of reading. I'll end my session here. Refer our video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Stay safe. Stay at home.